Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video this week again. So I got more packages from Subaru Speed. I ordered them on Sunday, got them today, or yesterday actually. I'm installing them today. Well, first I'm installing this, and then I'll install the other parts I got, and I'll show you guys what I got. Sorry about the mess, but this is a messy garage. Anyways, yeah, so this new thing in this box is the Tomei single exit exhaust. Putting that on and replacing my NVIDIA exhaust. I mean, it's a good exhaust, but let's see how the Tomei sounds. This one sounds pretty good, but I'm gonna try out the single exit exhaust, and hopefully I like it. I mean, I've seen nothing but good things about it. So yeah, so I'm gonna install this really quick, and then we'll check out how it sounds. Right now I'm just removing my diffuser. This thing is a pain in the butt. It's been on there for quite some time, and I guess the exhaust doesn't fit. So if you have the Deluxe Motorsport diffuser, you might want to lower it a little bit. I don't know, but as you can see, it burned right through it from the heat. You can already see those burning through here. Overall, yeah, I mean, it sucks, but it's a $600 diffuser, so I guess I'll just keep using it until finally it's gone, broken, destroyed, or whatever you want to call it. But anyways, yeah, so I don't know if I'm just gonna show you like a time lapse of me doing this, I guess, but I'm not gonna show you how to do it, because the exhausts are pretty easy to put on unless you have all this crap you have to deal with. But yeah, and I'm sorry I don't think I could put a exhaust video before this. Maybe I'll throw in that video I did before, but overall I'm saying goodbye to the NVIDIA. I will do an exhaust cold start on the Tomei so you guys can hear it, even though this mic sucks. So yeah, it's kind of dirty right now. I might sell it, I don't know, depending on how much I like Tomei. If not, I mean, this thing I did modify the mid pipe. I did remove the resonator and put on a regular steel pipe in there. It's a little louder, rumbles better, but yeah, overall it's not something to cry home about. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will be back after it's all said and done. All right, later guys. And here's the other part of the NVIDIA. So the Y pipe and the two mufflers. It was such an easy way to get out. I don't have any problem getting off, so, but everything was kind of rusty. Not rusty, but dirty as hell. But yeah, there's it is. And this is what I'm talking about. This is the mid pipe. I took off the resonator and I switched it to one of these pipes. I mean, it rumbles good, sounds good, it's a little louder. So I don't know, if I do sell it, I might have to do it for a discount. Oh well, but it's a good exhaust. So let me just open up the Tomei and see how it looks. That's the diffuser from Subaru Speed, man. I mean, it's a good diffuser, but it sucks that I was burning through. Well, $600, still working though, still works. But yeah, let me get back to it. I'll be right back. Let me open this up really quick, and then I can show you what they look like. Alright guys, there it is. NVIDIA catback. I gotta say, man, this thing is freaking light. This whole pipe probably weighs less than the mid pipe alone. Look at this shit. This shit is heavy, bro. Like right here, this shit is heavy. Probably weighs like 40 pounds. And this mid pipe probably weighs like 5 pounds or something. I don't know, it's freaking light. The whole thing probably weighs like 20 freaking pounds. It's so freaking light. Look, I'm picking it up like nothing. The whole freaking pipe. But yeah, there it is. I'm gonna install it really quick, and you'll get to hear how it sounds in just a few moments. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, there it is. My new Tomei exhaust with the catted NVIDIA downpipe. I have a mess everywhere, but let's just turn it on really quick and see how it sounds. How about that? Just kidding. Let's see how it sounds, and then yeah, and then we're all set. All I gotta do is put the diffuser back on and see if it fits. If not, it's alright. I don't mind it. Well, let's try it. There it is, guys. The Tomei. So I'm gonna see if that diffuser fits. If not, alright, whatever. I'm gonna put that delete on, and then I'm gonna put my blinker thingy, and I'll be pretty much set for tonight. I'll probably do my crimp speed, because I also got the crimp speed iOS, so I might end up doing that tomorrow. I don't know. No, I'll probably do it today too. So, but yeah. I'll do some more videos on the the Tomei when there's light out, probably tomorrow, so you guys can hear it. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.